Okay, it's at the 50. Hold on, guys. NAS came back down strong. NAS is back at the entry. Oh boy. This is a major pullback. Crypto's not pulling back yet, but if this thing does not... Hold on. We might get a second entry. Come on. Come on, Naz. Don't do this to me. Respect the orb. We were in profit. I mean, we were up a hundo. Let's see what S&P is doing now. Hold on. S&P might be bouncing off that 50% of the orb. Naz right now is deciding what it wants to do. Big selling pressure, though. The futures hasn't even dropped yet. See, this is why I'm going to start trading futures. It's just better. I'm going to sign up this weekend for Apex Funded. Okay, Naz is bouncing. It's on the high of the orb right now, guys. S&P is waking up from the 50. And we're taking another double dip on Naz. Back at entry. Come on, baby. Come on. No. Okay. We got 2 entries on Naz. We need S&P to wake up. We need S&P. Sui's running. Sui got the memo. Sui ain't tripping. Sui's running. Bitcoin's a little late to the party. It's kind of just moving sideways within the range. Oh, come on. Bounce off of this, man. Do not be an asshole. Ooh, Naz is really coming in. Hopefully we bounce right off of this right here, though. We need it to bounce off of this, guys. Come on. Okay, S&P's pushing up. S&P's pushing. Come on, dude. Let's look at the 5-minute, guys. Oh, yeah, it's an ugly 5-minute candle. That's an ugly 5-minute candle. We got one minute left on this candle. So, let's just give it a sec. Let's look at the Naz one. Naz is an ugly 5-minute, too. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's going to be... If this closes like this, this is an extremely bullish 5-minute candle. If it closes with that big of a wick from the 50. Sui and Bitcoin pushing. Naz is in major profits. I can't make this up. I love the orb. I love the orb. Oh, don't do this to us. It is Friday, guys. This is low volume Friday. Low volume Friday. Just a heads up. This is the worst day of the week. Not always. We're going to manifest this, but a lot of the times Fridays are very slow. Or sideways, choppy. So S&P hasn't even had a 5-minute candle break above the orb, which is not good. You want a 5-minute break above. But it's going to give it to us right here. Oh, what did I just say? We already have 2 entries on Naz. I don't want to take an S&P trade. We're going to just have our faith in Naz today. We're just going to have our faith in Naz today. Naz does too. I feel it. But we got to get above this. It's got to push above that. I mean, what the... Naz, what is going on, man? S&P's doing better than you. S&P's doing better than Naz right now. What's that about? How is the S&P beating Naz right now? Come on, baby. Come on. Push up. Push up. S&P got the memo. For sure got the memo. It's like just barely above the high. You guys see how this thing played off the 50% of the orb today? Man, something told me too. I said S&P is playing off the 50. Should we take it? And then also, in the beginning, I said, I feel like doing the same thing I did yesterday and playing off the bottom of the orb on Naz. And man, if we had our entry down here, we'd be up probably, I don't know, 400 or 500. I mean, we're up right now, but I'm just saying it would have been a much better entry. Okay, Bitcoin's at our end. If you guys want to learn how to really trade, DM me. I go live every day. I even started going live on the weekends if we can get a play. Saturdays are usually slow, but Sundays we usually can get something. We do this every day, guys, and we've been killing it every freaking week, every day. I mean, we have just been destroying it. Okay, we need to watch this pullback right now. This is the moment that we need to watch, guys. Ooh, my buddy caught 600 points on US 30. That's a good move right there. And that must have been off at Kill Shot. Kill Shot's one of our scanners that we use. It literally tells you when to enter. And right now I'm watching NAS on it. It's literally calling a red star, which is indicating like if you took this blue trade right here, it's saying to take profit. Oh no, this blue trade right here. Sorry. 2004. Oh, big pullback. Come on, NAS, don't do this to us. S&P is on the high of the orb right now. We gotta watch this closely, guys. Bitcoin's at the entry. SUI is pulled back a little bit. We're still in profit, but definitely need to watch this very closely. There we go. Green candle, green candle. Welcome, everyone. We are on the NAS longs. We have been literally killing it every single day off the orb strategy. This thing is just insane. Insane, guys. We took a long, it broke out of the high of the orb, we took the long. But down here, when it respected the low of the orb, I did say I should have took the long down there, like we did yesterday. We got the whole move of yesterday, all the way from the low of the orb. If you guys really want to learn how to trade, man, DM me. You can also join my TikTok, my YouTube, and my Twitch account. Hold on, this is my YouTube. If you go to my YouTube page, guys, I'm going to show you which video to watch. If you want to learn how to trade the orb, like we have every single day. If we hit today, we won this whole week. Master the orb strategy. We won every day the entire last week. The week before that, we lost on Friday. And then the week before that, we went 14-0. But master the orb strategy for day trading. You can find me on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, X, Instagram. All you have to do is type in all in with Mitch. Why does everyone on Twitch always ask to send them Solana? They're always begging for Solana. I don't know anyone that's going to donate Solana to someone on Twitch begging them. I do want to do a giveaway soon. I'm going to give away a funded account. You can choose either a 4X funded account for indices or gold or whatever you want to trade. They do, like the one I'm using now, it does have Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. I might even do the giveaway Sunday. Here we go. Big push up. Come on, baby. We're up a hundo right now. We were just up 200 a minute ago. See, when you're trading with a larger account, you can catch a smaller breakout and, I mean, make thousands if you're trading a larger account. This right here, I mean, yesterday we caught between both accounts like $800. You know what I mean? And what is bro? We took NAS on the breakout, but I was talking about what I did yesterday. I saw it respect the low of the orb, but S&P first broke out below, so I was a little worried. But I should have took the low of the orb like I did yesterday. We would have been up probably 500 between here and here, and but we didn't. It's all good. We took NAS on the breakout. S&P is currently at the high of the orb right now, coming back in. Oh, or respecting it. We'll see. And Bitcoin, big push up, and we took SUI as well on the breakout. SUI broke out of the orb, the yellow lines you can see. We're on SUI and we're on Bitcoin. Bitcoin really woke up. Bitcoin and SUI got the memo. I don't know about NAS and S&P. They're fucking late to the party. Okay, there we go. There we go. China exempts tariffs on 40 billion of U.S. goods. Holy shit, this is bullish. China's exempting tariffs on 40 billion worth of U.S. goods. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about. I'm posting that to X right now, guys. Oh my goodness gracious, that is bullish. And we are seeing the reaction already, guys, as we're already on the longs. We got some bullish news right at the right time. On this account, we've been swing trading Bitcoin since April 20th on Sunday at 83,000. And we've caught every pullback. This is on the hour time frame. Every time Bitcoin rallied base, we took another trade. Rallied base, we took another trade. Yeah, I should have took one in here on a fourth one, honestly, but it's all good. We're not going to sweat it. So right now, we're approaching the resistance level at, now this is going to be the new zone to get ahead of. So 99, we got to get above 100K now. We have to break above 100K right now. Yeah, oh yeah, there'll be a big inflow. I'll show you guys the liquidation map in a minute. But let's check our trades. Okay, we got a little bit of a pullback right now. What's going on? Nas gave us, I don't like that. Let's look at the 5 minute though. I don't like this. This is not what we want to see right now. This could be a manipulated move. The tariff news should be very bullish right now. But this is what hedge funds do. They will tank the market to then run it up. They'll tank the market to then run it up. This could be a manipulated move right now. Honest to God, this could be a manipulated move right now, guys. This is not cool. Hopefully not. I don't want to panic. But I am a little worried right now that we're dropping that suddenly. Hold on, we got a green candle on NAS. Come on, baby. This is extremely bullish news, so do not do this to us. It's also Friday. Fridays are low volume. It's not. That's why we haven't gotten a major breakout just yet. Bitcoin and Sui's tapping the high of the orb as we speak. I'm assuming Bitcoin's getting close. Yeah, Bitcoin's almost to the high of the orb. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't get manipulated too. We just have bullish news. Everyone better hit the like and the follow button. We've had 759 views and only 2 new followers. That is very strange. I go live every single day with you guys. We've been killing it every single day. I would hope you guys follow and like. I'm also over on Twitch and YouTube as well. If you want to learn this strategy, go over to my YouTube page, Master the Orb Strategy. It's the 4th video in. Ooh, this is getting a lot of views. 278 views. Wow. This is picking up. I hope some of these are from you guys. I appreciate it. That's actually pretty cool. All right. My YouTube's starting to pick up, man. I'm trying to stay consistent every day posting. I wasn't doing that for a while, so I'm really staying positive. I appreciate all you guys. I'm only 100 followers away to be at 1,000 and be monetized on TikTok. So I really, really, really appreciate you guys help me get that last 100 followers. I've been dropping trade after trade for you guys. I hope some of you guys have been profiting on some of them. I know I have been. So all you got to do is hop on. I want you guys to learn how to trade, though. I don't want to just, have you just take my trades only. I'd love for you guys to learn the strategy and learn how to trade. You guys, if you want to take it to the next level and really get profitable, DM me. I teach people how to trade. You guys saw I did a Zoom call last night with my team and played it. I also was on TikTok recording for the live. So if you guys want to really join the best community and biggest education platform, we also have scanners. We have a full roster and list of traders that are certified, audited, 6-7 figure traders and investors. Like this guy right here, he manages a hedge fund and he educates. So like these are real deal people. This is where I learned how to trade. Also, the scanners are very helpful as well. These are awesome tools to use. We're actually watching NAS on Killshot. There's 6 scanners total. There's a 7th one coming. Okay, we're going to push up. I want to see a blue arrow get formed. The blue arrows, like right here, are calling buys. The red arrows are calling sells. So like this one here would have failed, right? This blue arrow obviously would have played out. It's actually right about where we entered also. It's kind of funny. I've noticed Killshot calling out trades right about where we are on the orb. So I've been using the orb strategy, but I'm also looking over at Killshot at the same time. This weekend I'll be I got my new desk. I haven't set it up yet, so this weekend I'm going to be setting it up. I'll have more monitors and have 2 cameras going. It's going to be so much better, and I can't wait to make it this weekend. And next week we will be in a much better setup for recording and streaming and doing videos for you guys. It's going to be awesome. And it'll be so much easier trading with 3 monitors. It's going to be amazing. I can have one camera one screen that is just for my live, have one screen trading this, one screen trading that. It's just going to be a lot better. And it will look a lot better for you guys as well. Okay, NAS is starting to push, but then pumping back. If we look at the 5-minute candle, this is good. It respected the high of the orb. Let's go look at S&P. S&P actually broke back into the 50% of the orb almost. But this is a good candle. This is looking good. We just need this 5-minute candle on both NAS and S&P to finish out bullish. We do not want this to flip on us. But so far, this candle looks good. It's on the 5-minute. Sometimes you gotta get off the 1 minute. Sometimes you gotta go at least to the 5 to get a better picture, because the 1 minute can psych you guys out big time. The 1 minute can honestly do a lot of damage. It can mess with you mentally. I've had the 1 minute candles literally take me out of a trade way too early a few times in my time of trading. But you look at the 5 minute and you're like, oh, okay, this actually looks a lot better. But we do need this candle to engulf this candle, meaning we need this 5-minute candle to be bigger than the red candle. If it's not, then it's gonna be a little bit of a problem. Just give it a minute. It's trying to figure itself out right now. They will tell you that China is not doing anything, not giving in at all. But behind closed doors, they've been silently removing tariffs on multiple things. And today, you got a major 40 billion worth of U.S. goods exempt off tariffs. So, the U.S. unemployment rate remained at 4.2%. U.S. economy added 177,000 jobs in April, more than expected. So NAS is in profit off the orb, but no, this is NAS 100. And then we're also in Bitcoin and SUI. SUI did just pull back to the top of the orb. Bitcoin is still running a little bit better, but nothing crazy yet. And then NAS is obviously in profit, but it's Friday. Like, we've already smashed every single day this week, just like we did the week before and the week before. But today is Friday. Fridays are always low volume. They're not the best days. If this had been Wednesday, Thursday, we had major breakouts on the. I can show you yesterday's orb and the day before that. We had major upside. We caught here yesterday. We took the low of the orb all the way up, and then the day before that we had a major run. We've had a crazy good week, just like last week too. But anyways, let's keep watching this. But yeah, we've been killing it every day. If you guys are new on the channel, hit the like and the follow button. I don't know why you wouldn't. We go live. I go live every single morning for you guys. And if you have been taking my trades off the orb strategy, you have been eating. You have been majorly eating. I've been literally hitting for a few thousand each week lately between all 3 accounts that I trade. Follow me on Twitch and YouTube as well if you want to learn the orb strategy. Right here, master the orb strategy for day trading. This video right here will show you exactly what I trade. It is called the Open Range Breakout, aka the orb. It is the first 15 minutes of the New York Market Open. It works on everything: stocks, crypto, indices, forex. It works on everything. There we go. There we go, baby. Come on. Come on. We're up 250 right now and floating. Let's go. Let's go. We're breaking out finally. Sui's playing off the high of the orb right now. If you guys didn't take a trade, right now you can take Sui off the orb. Clean setup. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Let's look at S&P. S&P is a little bit behind to the party, but it's starting to wake up. It's starting to wake up. See, it's a little bit better looking at the 5 minutes sometimes, guys. The only thing I'm worried about is all this liquidity could be swept at any moment. So we need to be cautious. But NAS is actually running, so it's breaking out. We're going to take our TP a little bit higher. Could just close it and take the win for the day, which would make this whole week undefeated. We've gone undefeated multiple times in April. Two weeks we went undefeated. But then the weeks that we took an L, it was on a Friday. It was one day out of the week. Literally, one day. And I do this every day with you guys, man. Hop on the lives. We've been killing it. Did not matter what the market conditions were. Even when the market was dumping, we were doing the same thing, all off the orb. The orb strategy is amazing. When you're trading a larger account, like, I mean, we've been getting huge breakouts off the orb. I can show you on Sui how much. So with Sui, yesterday, look at this. We got it. Look at this thing. This thing annihilated. Or this is Wednesday, I'm sorry. Look how much it ran. We caught that whole move. This day, we had a weird choppy day, but then we had the drop. We took that. No, we didn't take the drop. I was at the auction. Monday, we took the drop. Monday, it shorted below the orb. We took it. Day, what was it? That's Saturday. We did not take that. And then look at this one. Last Thursday, dude, this thing was massive to the upside. Wednesday was real sideways, but Wednesday played into Thursday. Tuesday played into Wednesday. We took Tuesday right off the orb. All you had to do was we saw the breakout, pulled back up to the orb, took it. Boom. Look at that thing. Last April 20th is where I'm swing trading my Bitcoin trades still. Look at that. Or breakout, and then this thing just never stopped running. Went from $2.10 all the way up to $3.80. Money. Money, money, money. And we played off it every day. Today, yes, we're in a weird zone. The market's a little slow. It's reacting from the high of the orb right now. The green line is the high of the orb. The orb is the open range breakout. So the first 15 minutes of the New York market, it creates the high and the low. When you get a breakout above or below, but it's a breakout strategy. So we need high volume for breakouts, right? Unfortunately, today is Friday. It's not a high volume day. A lot of Wall Street won't even trade Fridays, so you get lower volume. But if NAS can keep creeping up, we should be fine. Now we need to play off this box, hopefully. We just got to inch it inch by inch, right? We got to play it inch by inch. Right now, S&P is at the top of the orb. But you can just see how slow it's been moving. We've just been ranging sideways since 8 o'clock. We've been just going sideways. 8:09, we've just been moving sideways. But this happens. I mean, there's been multiple times where we don't even get the orb breakout until 9 a.m. And you guys have been sitting there hanging out with me until 9:30, and then we finally break out. Let's see if it reacts off this box. Just watching this closely. We are up 190. And what I'm mad about is, so yesterday I took the low of the orb because I saw it respected it. And today I was going to do it. And we would have been up, oh man, this would have been $500-600 already. We would have just probably closed and called it good. Especially when it started to reverse here, back to the orb. Probably could have just closed it, but even if, look at it, bounced, it wicked onto the orb right here on the high of the orb. You could have just got in right there and rode it. It gave you multiple setups. So Sui is definitely pulling back a little more than expected. Bitcoin, at first the crypto was booming more. What's going on, guys? Crypto Hill, good to see you, my man. Let's check Twitch real quick. Let me check Twitch. All right. We are live. Twitch, recording for YouTube. I've been posting the videos every day. Man, yeah, we're starting to get more views. 278 views on that one video. That was good. That's good. Maybe I got to make more videos about different strategies. People obviously like it. Oh, we broke the box. We're coming back down to the high of the orb almost. Okay, let's see what it does right here. Let's see what it does here on S&P. It's been playing. So another thing is people hit the like button, hit the follow button if you're new. We do this every single day. Oh, Dre, what's up, man? I just saw you in here, my boy. The other thing that people play off the orb is the 50% of the orb, which is this yellow line. Look how S&P played off the 50% of the orb today. Boom, boom. I personally don't play the 50%. Yeah, we like the orb. What the fuck is that? This is the 50%, so the middle of the orb. Some people play it. Some people play it. And today it played off of S&P, honestly, but the orb is just insanely accurate. We have been literally live every day. Just I feel like at this point. Right now we're on the 1 minute because we're just watching. We're already in NAS. It's in profit, so we're kind of just watching it real closely. But as you guys know that I've been here every day, man, we have been just printing money over here, man. It has been amazing. The orb strategy never lies, man. It is amazing. Hopefully we get a bounce off this box right now. SUI and Bitcoin definitely pulled back a little bit, but if NAS can wake up and S&P wakes up, Bitcoin will wake up and SUI will wake up. Okay, we're getting a reaction off the box, which is almost the high of the orb. See what it does here. I hate Fridays. Like, we've already hit our goals for the week, but I figured we'd still, I don't know, we saw a good setup. I took it. I'll still trade a Friday. Fridays can sometimes be really good, though. Like, don't get me wrong. Some Fridays can be really, really good. But we got to just move with this trade inch by inch, guys. We just got to keep watching it. SUI definitely came back into the orb. SUI came back into the orb, guys. Hopefully it plays the middle or the low of the orb. We need Bitcoin to wake up. And right now it's hitting this trap candle right here. So we're going to see what it does. We'll make it the box. I'm hoping it plays off this. Or it might go play off the high of the orb. SUI's at the low of the orb right now. Which is weird because NAS Friday is... Yeah, I know. I know. It's usually not the best day, guys. S&P is coming back down to the 50% of the orb. But if NAS can just respect this zone. Hoping SUI plays off the bottom of the orb right now. SUI's not looking too good. SUI is not being too SUI today. SUI is being... It broke out of the orb, but obviously because NAS and S&P are being so slow right now, Bitcoin is also doing the same shit. But I'm not panicking. This can wake up at any moment. We've seen it where the orb doesn't even break out until 9:30 Pacific time. And then finally just rips. Ooh, NAS is really pulling back right now. We got to see what it does right here. It's coming back to the high of the orb right now. Ooh, S&P is back at the 50. We got to see if S&P will bounce off the 50% right now of the orb. This is where it can get iffy, guys. Still in profit on NAS. We could close it if we need to. I think we might need to, honestly. This is not looking too good. Hold on. Wait for this candle. Wait for this candle to close. Bitcoin's at the high of the orb. NAS is at the high of the orb right now. Money flow is still to the upside on the 3 minute on the market cipher. That's why I'm just like, let's see what... Dude, and the futures are pumping for NQ and ES, for NASDAQ and S&P. They're actually pumping still. Like, dude, this is why I'm switching to futures. It's so, like, look at the difference, dude. Look at the difference. Futures versus the actual thing. This is why I'm switching to futures. I'm literally switching to futures this weekend. I mean, I'll still trade the other, but I'm just saying I'm going to make a futures account this weekend, dude. I'm so over the... Okay, Bitcoin's bouncing off the high of the orb right now. But this is the crucial moment, guys. This is the crucial moment. We're continuing to make higher highs, though, on NAS, on the 1 minute. We're making higher highs one by one. So, let's see if it reacts here at this box. We really need some buying pressure right now, guys. We really need some volume to come in for buys. I need to change this, but I don't know. Nope. Breaking the middle of the orb, guys. What's even more crazy is we have bullish news as well. Something told me just to close. Something told me I should have just closed NAS when we were up a couple hundred. When we were up 200, I should have just closed it. I don't know. We kept making higher highs though. That's the thing that I'm not a fan of Fridays. I'm really not. And this is why. No. No one. No one. Let's see if we can play off the high of the orb, guys. S&P is still at that 50%. Bitcoin's at the high of the orb. SUI, though, on the other hand, is at the low of the orb. Not the best. Not what we want to see, guys. This is not what we want to see on SUI. We're starting to really run and break out. Should have probably just closed. We should have just closed. I think it really depends right here. NAS is at the high of the orb right now. Let's see what it does. There we go. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. Come on, baby. You gotta talk to the candles sometimes. Come on, baby. I do like the wick. This is usually a decent bullish sign right here. NAS is pumping. NAS is pumping. If you go look at the futures, this is why I'm trading futures from now on. Because look at, we've been still pumping on the futures. Here's the orb. We continue to pump. The actual NAS and S&P, on the other hand, okay, S&P is really waking up, guys. Waking up, we're waking up. We're playing off, dude. If someone did not take the high of the orb on NAS, I mean, this thing gave you 1, 2, 3, 4 entries on the high of the orb. It's respecting the line very well. It gave you 4 times to get in it. We broke out, came back in, respected the high, came back up, respected the high, came back up. We keep making higher highs as well. Lower time frame, but I don't think it's going to be some massive breakout today, but if you're trading a larger account, these small moves can, I know people that make thousands and thousands of dollars on these smaller moves in one trade, so really just depends. Okay, SUI is playing off the bottom of the orb. Bitcoin is playing off the top of the orb. You can't make this up. It literally played right off the top of the orb, the yellow line there. Yes, so DM me. If you're wanting to learn how to really trade, man, DM me. I will get you connected. We'll hop on a Zoom. We'll talk. Also, follow all my pages, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X. All you have to do is type in All In With Mitch. All one word, All In With Mitch. It is my brand. It is my movement. I'm going to make it more than just about trading. I'm going to make it financial education as a whole. Americans are not financially educated. I'm going to create something that, this is just the beginning. We've only been doing this for 2 months right now, so this is still new, you know. I'm almost to 1,000. I appreciate, so definitely like and follow. We got 6 new followers on this live so far. Definitely should be seeing more than that. I'm used to seeing about 20 or so. So hit the follow, hit the like button. We go live. I go live every single morning, 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern, and we have been killing it week after week. We have been literally, if we get today, then this week was undefeated. Oh, Bitcoin's back up. SUI's starting to wake up. NAS is in profit. NAS gave you guys another entry off the orb, man. NAS gave you another entry. So, see, you need to follow my page, but also DM me. So when I get off the live, I respond to everyone's messages, and we will talk some more outside of the live. Hopefully we play off this box and keep pushing. S&P played off the middle of the, dude, S&P has respected the 50% of the orb today like crazy. You could have just played the 50% of the orb off S&P today. Starting to pull back. If it doesn't respect this box, we might just get out. I'm at least going to close 1 trade because I have 2 entries on NAS. I have 2. So if it doesn't bounce off this box, I'm going to close 1 of them. Oh! Here we go. Come on, baby. And you guys can go to my YouTube page and watch Master the Orb Strategy for Day Trading, step by step. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
It's Friday. I have to get ready to go. Can you do the garbage things?
Yeah, hold on.
Having a good day? You look more tan. You look like you've been getting more rest.
So Naz is trying to figure itself out right now. It has been very, very slow so far today. But for you guys just hopping in, that is Friday for you. Fridays are always very slow, guys. I want to see what the 5 minute looks like. 5 minute looks pretty decent. It depends how this candle closes. Oh, we actually did engulf this candle here. It must have been earlier. There was one. Yeah, it was this one that didn't engulf the candle. So this is a good sign that we just engulfed this candle. Sui's waking up. Bitcoin's waking up. Let's just keep watching here. We are in profit on Nas. We are running. It is waking up. But it is Friday, so you just never know. It's always a slow. We, might just have a very small breakout today, and we might need to just get out early. I'm debating on closing one of these trades if it doesn't want to keep going. I got 2 entries on that, so I might close one of them to reduce risk. But it seems like it wants to wake up, man. It really does. The S&P is playing off the 50% of the orb like crazy. We only took NAS personally, but let's just keep watching. Bitcoin's back above. Bitcoin played right off the top of the orb. Sui played off the bottom of the orb. And today, I wish I would have played the bottom of the orb because it respected the low. As you can see, it didn't break the low of the orb. Yesterday we did that. I saw that it respected the low of the orb and took it. Today though, S&P was acting weird at the same time. Okay, here we go. So I didn't do it today, but I wish I would have because I would have been up probably $600 already on this trade from down there to here. Yeah, 500 to 600 on this account. That would have been nice. We're up 200 right now, but yeah, we would have been up a lot more. This thing is just so slow. But we could just close it and call it a win, and it would make us undefeated for the entire week once again. If you guys just tuning in, you guys can follow my YouTube and my Twitch account, All In with Mitch. If you want to learn the strategy, it's right here, Master the Orb Strategy for day trading. I recommend mastering the Orb Strategy because it is a money printing machine, man. I can't tell you how amazing this strategy has been. I literally learned it 2 months ago, and I have been just every week, profitable every single week off this strategy. The rest of the week, we've gotten huge breakouts every time, almost every day, but today's Friday, so it's a bit of a slow grind. I mean, we're in profit. It's not like we aren't, but yeah, I hope someone took NAS because it's played 1, 2, 3, 4 times off the orb. The high of the orb. It's played it 4 times, so it's giving you 4 different entries. Respected it every single time. Hit the like and the follow button, guys. We are about 90 people away from being 1,000 followers on TikTok. I go live every single day for you guys. I do this for y'all. I hope some of you I know some of you have been taking the trades, but I hope more do because we have been hitting every single day. Cut it up. How you doing? Welcome. So NAS is just slow motion. We're still in profit, but it's just been a slow, steady grind. Slow Friday. We might not break above this. If we fail to break this, guys, it's probably time to get out. Let's look at the futures. Futures are pumping still more. This is why I'm switching to futures. You still are trading S&P and NAS, but it's the future contract. So it's a little more quick. It's a little more responsive. It's just all around better. And this weekend I will be signing up for Apex Future or funded traders. It is a prop firm for future trading. I know a lot of people that make a lot of money from Apex. If you know how to trade and you're consistently profitable, prop firms are the way to go. I trade my own money, don't get me wrong, but I definitely leverage prop firms. Why wouldn't you if you know how to trade? Okay, we are up, we're pushing above. We need to break above this. Bitcoin running, Sui running. We're doing okay now. We're doing okay. We just need to see this push up a little bit more, man. We just need to see the momentum keep going. One of our TPs still hasn't been hit. We have 2 entries on NAS. I want one of them to hit here, and the other one's going to be a little above that if it can make it. We're going a little bit higher on the next one. All right, let me see what it was. 125, my bad. So that was too far. So we need to drag this one down to we'll just call it 140. And that would make us about 500 total between the two trades, if we can get to there. These gray lines up here. It'll be about 500 on this account. Bitcoin and SUI, we still didn't mark the profit zone yet, the TP. I will be in just a little bit. We've just been having to watch this very closely. I just want to see something. This is a trader I respect. He is very good at crypto. Oh, I see what he's looking at. He's calling a short here on curve. I see why. Stop loss above this, failing to break. But if we go bullish, which it's kind of looking like it will, it's not going to be good. I'm not personally taking it. I was just curious to what he was seeing or looking at. I'm very open-minded. I am a part of, for one, I'm part of my education platform. I'm also a part of a couple other groups. If you don't have mentorship and you do not have communities and groups, I don't know what to tell you, because that is the way to become a profitable trader. That is the way. I mean, shit, I sell cars. I have my own business selling cars outside of doing this, trading and going content, right? I have a business selling cars. So what I'm saying is, with that, dude, like, I have a mentor. I have people that I've gotten all this advice from for the car game. Like, you need a mentor in anything that you do. People that are hard-minded and closed-minded and think, oh, I can just figure it out myself. Well, what are your results right now? What are your results right now? Is it working out, just being a lone wolf by yourself? Going from YouTuber to YouTuber. Let me give you some hard facts. So there is people, there's one guy that is making $200K a month on his education, trading education, his program. The guy only trades a demo account. He does not even trade real money. He only trades a demo account. Then there's another guy. I'm not naming names, but $500K a month at his peak. I don't know what he's doing right now, but this is what I heard. $500K a month. The guy doesn't even trade. He makes content for trading and teaches trading on YouTube and doesn't even trade. He just teaches strategies, indicators, just all types of shit like that, and he doesn't even trade. And this dude's making $500K between YouTube and his VIP Discord group or whatever, you know what I mean, or WAP channel. You can't make this up. You can't make this up, guys. But if you guys want to learn how to really trade, one, follow all my content. I go live every day. And two, DM me and we will talk more. I'm a part of the biggest education platform worldwide. We have a full schedule, live people every single day. There's nothing that competes with what we do. Not these little YouTubers with a Discord channel. This is actual multi-million-dollar company. We have more than just trading too. Let me just give you a glimpse. You got Forex, you got crypto, you got e-commerce, social media, mindset, finance. We're adding stocks and real estate, and there's there's full teachers, full schedule all day, all week long. Here's the crypto educators, full schedule. There is nothing that competes with what we do. Like I said, DM me. We will talk. We'll hop on a Zoom and talk more. Naz is still running, guys. Naz is running. We're almost to TP1 because we have two entries. We're up 300 right now. We're almost to TP1. Bitcoin's running. Sui's running. Sui's a little slow, but it's running. It's bullish right now. You know what we're going to do? Moving the box up. When you just see it keep pushing up. What's S&P doing? S&P's broke out of the orb. You could have took the breakout on there if you wanted to. What's gold doing? Oh, imagine that. S&P NAS is running, so gold's dropping. That's what it does. So when S&P and NAS is running, then gold will be running, or gold will be doing the opposite of what S&P and Nasdaq are doing. But gold is reaching a zone right now. It's because it's been moving up and then it pulled back, right? So honest to God, if Nas and S&P start to drop a little bit, we're gonna shave some profits, guys. 3, we're gonna shave some profits. 4. Okay, so we just took out a little bit, and if we break below this box, we're just gonna close and call it a win for the week. If we fail to break, if we break below this box, we're just gonna close and call it a win for the week, because this is extremely slow. We could just close out, be profitable every single day this week if we just close in right now. Oh, also, moving stop losses to profit. So now we cannot even lose. We're actually going to follow this, let's say, up to here. So now stop losses are really in profit. Let's see what it does at this box. Let's see what S&P is doing. Same thing, pulling back. But that means gold is going to run. Gold's going to get bullish in just a second if S&P and NAS start to drop. So we could take a buy on gold. Just an idea here. Just an idea. If NAS breaks. But then again, gold's dropped way below the orb. So it would be going against our orb strategy, which I don't like doing. I feel like the only time I lose a trade is if I, like, say crypto, I take a trade at nighttime. It's the only time. Well, let's go look at NAS. Hold on. Okay, we are breaking the box. So we are going to... Love it.
I won't see you later.
Okay, I love it. Yep, we broke the box. I know, I got it. Okay, we broke the box, guys. We need to see what happens here. It did break the box. We're going to see what it does from right here. Let's just finish this candle. Let's give it this 1 minute candle. Okay, we're printing a green candle. Let's see what it does here. Crypto is slow. Bitcoin is being slow. We're on a little bit of a pullback. This is waking up. Reacting from the box. Our stop losses are below this. So no matter what, we can't lose now. We already shaved, part of the profit, but also our stop losses are below or above our entries. So this is a guaranteed win for the day now. So on here we got green every single day. We were green, meaning we made money every day. Just making green days every day. If you can consistently make money every day of the week, that what more can you ask for, man? Yeah, the 5 minute here. I see what's going on now. But it might respect this box. It might not, though. We'll wait for this candle. Probably got about 30 seconds on it. Boom. Next candle is green. Next candle is green. Let's see what the NQ is. NQ, see, futures keeps pumping, dude. Ah, man, I can't wait to trade futures next week with you guys. I'm going to go with Apex Funded. That is the prop firm I'm going to use for futures. If you guys want to join me. If you can consistently be profitable every day, every week at least, every month, then why wouldn't you trade a prop firm? You know what I mean? Okay, we're kind of just seeing what this candle does. Sui's back at the low of the orb. See what we do here. 5 minutes looking good. Let's see if it engulfs this candle. 5 minutes looking great. 5 minutes booming. Okay, come on, baby. S&P, this is the minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes engulfing that candle. So we gotta see how it closes, obviously. But engulfing means, so this red candle, if this next candle, if it's a bigger green candle than this red one, then we engulfed the candle, which is a sign that we're gonna push higher. Okay, just for you guys that don't know what that means, or it might be new. If you guys really want to learn how to trade, DM me, comment, DM, whatever you gotta do. I will definitely respond. Crypto doesn't seem to. At first, it started to boom more than what Nas and S&P were doing, and then all of a sudden it wanted to slow down. You gotta see how this 5-minute candle closes, guys. We got 2 minutes 22 seconds left. Futures is still pumping, dude. Way better move on there. It's crazy how much better it is. So look, like this is a prime example. So this is the breakout of the orb on the regular S&P. This is the breakout of the orb on the futures. This is the breakout on Nas compared to that. I mean, it's yeah, night and day difference, man. It's just such better moves. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Engulf that. Engulf that. Come on, baby. Do not wick on me. I want full body. I want to see the whole body. Give me the whole body. Body, 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 body. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Come on. Push. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Shit, let's move. I want to see if we can go a little bit higher on the TP. Let's see if we can. I don't want to be greedy. But let's just see if we can go a little bit higher. Because if we start really booming, I guess I'll take the one entry to there. It's fine. Okay. We are engulfing that red candle, guys. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't do that to us. Don't do that to us. Just a little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Come on. Before you close the 5-minute candle, give us a little bit more than that. Come on. Big push up. I want this 5 minutes to close. Ugh. Didn't engulf it, but it's printing another green candle. Volume is so far lower. Money flow to the upside. Good thing we didn't try gold. Come on, baby. The green lines are TP, by the way. This will be a 1 to 5 if we can get to this gray line right here. Bitcoin got the memo. Bitcoin's... Oh, no, 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 no. Don't you do that to us. There we go. Boom! Take TP1. Here comes TP2. Come on, baby. Boom! What's up? What's up? There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. $500. TP1 and 2 hit, guys. Oh, yeah. I love it. I love it. That was a big push up. Now we need Bitcoin and Sui to do the same thing. We need Bitcoin and Sui to do the same thing. But what's it going to do now? We got it. We smacked it. We destroyed it. Hopefully, yeah, man. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now Bitcoin's gonna do the same thing. See, sometimes it takes a minute, guys. BTC's moving. Sui's moving. All right. Well, so let's just say we ended this week very, very, very well. Extremely well. All off the orb, baby. All off the motherfucking orb. So We every day this week, Monday through Friday, consistently hit on the indices every day, every single day. So crypto as well. As long as this plays out, obviously Sui's catching up to the entry. It's down just a little bit to the entry. We got a bad entry on it. But I do think both of these are about to explode. Bitcoin's in profit. I think both of these are about to majorly explode. And my TP for Bitcoin will be 99,500. And then my TP for Sui, I'm hoping to catch $3.80 back up to where it was. That'll be a $600 trade. Might hold it over the weekend even, depending on what it does. So maybe I'll keep you guys tuned in and let you know. I personally got to get going. I'm going to let Bitcoin and Sui do its thing. Nas, obviously, we finished out very strong. Could have caught even more off of it, but that's, you know, you can't just sit there and try being greedy 100%. You just never know. I mean, we had a very, really rough battle there for a minute on S&P and Nas. I'm not sure why all of our lines got erased. It does that sometimes. Let's go look on TradingView. I'll just show you just a recap of what the trade was. So, it's on 6:30. Okay, so Nas get this morning. First, I'm gonna start with S&P. S&P originally broke out to the downside. We did try taking a small short right here, but I immediately realized it was not gonna play out. I closed it, and thank God I did. And then we got a breakout to the upside. Came back halfway to the 50% of the orb. 50% of the orb, which will be this yellow line. And then bounced off and really ran. Now Nas is the one that we took. We took Nas 100. This was take profit. So that was our TP line, okay? I just want to make sure no one gets confused. Okay, these lines right here are from yesterday's orb. So we saw Nas. It didn't break below the orb. It respected, and now that I'm seeing it bounced off yesterday's high of the orb. You see the green line from yesterday. It bounced off yesterday's high of the orb. Now, what I wish I would have done was because I saw that it failed to break the low of the orb today. And if I would have seen that it also was bouncing off the high of yesterday's orb, I would have took the buy at the low of the orb when it failed to break it. Because then we would have gotten a much bigger explode all the way up here. But we waited for the breakout, like, you know, technically that is the strategy. We waited, it bounced, came back up, bounced, it made higher highs every single time, guys. You see that, right? Boom, 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 boom. But we kept testing the high of the orb. And I was telling you guys on the live, you could have taken an entry on the high of the orb and then put your stop loss below this wick. 1, 2, 3, 4 times you could have gotten an entry on the Nas breakout, guys. 4 times you could have taken it. It was a very emotional ride. It was very slow motion. We did not get the full, really, the bounce and the breakout till 8:30. So we were 2 hours in waiting for it to explode. We now smashed the TP. Over on Bitcoin, same thing. Broke out. We got a little bit of the entry, but boom, came back down to the high of the orb. You could have taken it right there. We just got some news. China offers to address U.S. fentanyl concerns to revive trade talks. Senator Cynthia Loomis says President Trump supports her bill to purchase 1 million Bitcoin. She wants to buy 1 million Bitcoins for the U.S. crypto reserve, baby. Everyone hit the like and the follow button. We just smashed Nas 100. We're in profit on Bitcoin, still riding, but we absolutely destroyed Nas 100. I hope one of you guys took the entry. 4 times it gave it to you, and it destroyed. I mean, like always, the orb never fails. We're completely out of Nas. We already hit our TP. Snagged $500. We're done. That was a $500 trade on Nas. Could have been more if we would have took the low of the orb. Probably would have been a $1,000 trade if it would have been all that. Yeah, it probably would have been a $1,000 trade. But you know, you gotta sometimes just play it smart. And we waited for the actual breakout. It's all good. We hit regardless. This whole week we were profitable. The entire week, profitable week, once again. And this orb strategy has been just a blessing, and it has been amazing, guys. We are also in Sui. It is pulling back into the orb, but it broke out, tested the low. It respected the low of the orb, as you can see. Really respected it, and now it is still, it just broke out again, but it is on a little bit of a pullback, as you see with Bitcoin as well. I will continue to monitor and watch these. XRP broke out. Solana just kind of broke out. Ethereum. Whoa. Guys. What the? ETH is running. ETH is coming back to life. So ETH gave us a breakout, came back in, and now it's. I think ETH is going to actually amaze some people. I really do. Everyone's been counting it out, and I think that's why it's going to run. I think it's going to be the one that surprises a lot of people. I honestly believe that ETH is going to. All the ETH tokens, Uniswap, are running right now. All the ETH tokens are running. Let's see what Aave is doing. Aerodrome, not too much. Fetch AI, ICP. Let's see. I want to see. Render is absolutely exploding. Ondo is exploding. Aave is exploding. And if we go down and look at the ETH dominance, it is pumping. Yeah, ETH is coming back to life, guys. Bitcoin dominance is dropping pretty aggressively too. Solana dominance, but Ethereum dominance is running. I'm gonna have to look in and see if there's some type of news today. The stable coins are massively dropping, which is good. We want stables to drop because that means that the money is flowing into the actual projects. The others, excluding the top 10, is starting to pump. But I'm wondering what exactly is going on with ETH. Pepe is running. Zero, bro. Let's see. Chill Guy is running like crazy. I don't know why. Chill Guy came back to life. Render is doing amazing. Aave is doing amazing. Actually stoked to see that. We should have took the ORB breakout on ETH, but I'm invested in ETH, but I haven't been day trading ETH because it was really slow a lot. Sui hopefully will wake up here, guys. We've been killing Sui every week. It might be time to take a little nap on Sui. It might still be slowing down a little bit. ETH is. I'm gonna have to look into the news. But anyways, I gotta get going. I appreciate you all. Listen, if you are looking to learn how to trade, DM me. Make sure you follow and like and subscribe to my Twitch and YouTube channel. All In With Mitch, also X and Instagram. All you do is type in All In With Mitch, all one word, no spaces in between. Also, if you go, you can get into my Discord channel for free. If you click on one of my videos, you'll see the link. Yeah, Kool-Aid Man. I don't even know what I really don't even know what my fiance is talking about. I've never heard her say that before. There's a new one. It was a new one. I have yet to. I'm gonna have to ask her. Cause I'm definitely not. Maybe I got a little sunburnt. I don't think I did, but you guys tell me. Do I look sunburnt? I don't think I look sunburnt. Maybe a little bit. I guess I did. It's been sunny out here lately. Maybe I got a little sunburnt, man. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all. Follow, like, subscribe. I do this for you guys every single day, man. We've been just killing it week after week. I did get a little sunburnt, but oh yeah, it breaks through the wall. But anyways, man, I appreciate y'all. If you guys really want to learn how to trade, I'm about to post last night's Zoom call with my team. I also went live with you guys. I went over all the coins I thought were really good buys for people trying to just invest right now, not necessarily day trade them. But I'll be posting that Zoom call on YouTube today, and then also today's trading session. I'll be, making it a little bit, cutting some things out to make it better, and then put it on YouTube as well. Appreciate y'all. All right, guys. Peace.